Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing our Lego Football Subbuteo explaining maths concept series. This is video 7 now. I think we'll do about 10. And today we're going to deal with shape. So the first thing we're going to look at is the ball itself. And that is called, in maths, a sphere. So a 3D shape, it is a sphere. Now the center of the football pitch has a circle. I've made my mini football pitch here out of Lego to demonstrate that. So we've got a sphere in 3D, a circle in 2D, and as you can see, the 6-yard area and the 18-yard area that we discussed in a previous video, and the whole pitch itself are all a certain shape, a rectangle. They're all rectangles. And they each have 90 degrees in their corners, as we can see there. So that's also dealing with angles in the pitch. To keep the pitch all working in the right direction, all the lines would have to be parallel, meaning the side lines would never meet, and the 18-yard area would not meet the goal line. So we've got lots of maths going on in there. You also have symmetry. If you see here, the line down there is reflected on either side, both horizontally and vertically. So you have two lines of symmetry. We can see that on the full pitch itself, that this half would be exactly the same as the other half if we cut it vertically or horizontally. We have another shape here. This is part of a circle, but it's not a full circle. It's been cut off from the rest. It's called a segment. So we have a segment of a circle to keep the players away from the penalty spot. Then we have formations, which could have different shapes. There used to be a diamond formation, even though that's not a mathematical term, you'd rather say a rhombus. And then when it comes to passing, maybe the players want to beat this player from Cameroon, they have to pass in a, I didn't beat him there, they'd have to pass in a triangle. So you have passing triangles there, which the coaches would know about. So there we go, that's lots of shapes and maths in a football pitch demonstrated by Subbuteo and Lego, spheres, circles, rectangles, 90-degree angles, parallel lines, symmetry, segments, and triangles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.